For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and asked the fundamental questions. What is the universe made of? What are the building blocks of everything? And for the last century, a profound mystery has deepened. We can see the effects of gravity, the way galaxies spin, the way light bends, but we can't see what's causing most of it. We call this invisible, elusive substance dark matter. It's the cosmic ghost, the missing mass of the universe. We know it's there, but we have never directly seen it. But what if we were on the verge of a discovery, a finding so significant that it would rewrite the textbooks? This isn't a story of a single eureka moment. This is the story of a meticulous, global detective hunt and a unique experiment buried deep in an Australian mine, designed to do something crucial: to verify or to refute one of the most tantalizing claims in modern physics. For over 2 decades, an experiment in Italy known as Dama Libre has reported a curious signal. They've seen a tiny rhythmic flicker in their detector that pulses once a year. They believe this could be the signature of dark matter. The theory is elegant. As our solar system moves through the Milky Way, we fly through a vast wind of dark matter particles. But as the Earth orbits the Sun, sometimes it moves with the wind, and sometimes against it. Think of running in the rain. You feel the rain more on your front than your back. So, the number of dark matter particles hitting a detector should peak in June and ebb in December. This is exactly what Dama claims to see.
If we were to confirm the existence of a dark matter interaction, it's such a significant claim that you need a second experiment for verification.
This is the golden rule of science. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and no major discovery is accepted until it has been independently verified. Other experiments have tried to see this signal and failed, but they used different materials and techniques. The scientific community has been left in a state of suspense. Is the Dama signal a glimpse of the universe's deepest secret? Or is it a subtle artifact, a mirage caused by something else? This is where the story moves from the Northern Hemisphere to the South. Deep within a gold mine in Victoria, Australia, a new detective has entered the case: the SABRE South experiment. SABRE South's mission is not to just look for dark matter. Its primary goal is to be a direct, pure test of the Dama claim. It is designed to be as similar to the Italian experiment as possible, using the same ultra-pure crystal detectors. But it has 2 critical advantages. First, it's buried a kilometre underground. This thick layer of rock acts as a shield, blocking out the constant rain of cosmic rays that create background noise, making it easier to hear the faint whisper of a potential dark matter particle. And second, and this is absolutely crucial, it's in the Southern Hemisphere. Why does that matter? Remember the seasonal modulation? If the signal is truly from dark matter, the peak for an experiment in Australia should occur in December, not June, exactly 6 months out of phase with the signal in Italy. This is the ultimate test. If both experiments see the same rhythmic signal, but flipped in time, it would be incredibly strong evidence that we are indeed seeing a true effect of our planet's journey through the galaxy's dark matter halo. The team is currently in the final stages of setup. Next year, the experiment will begin its silent vigil, collecting data in the profound quiet of the underground lab.
Once the experiment begins collecting data next year, it would be an anxious wait to collect enough signals to verify the results. We're looking for the seasonal effects, so if we just saw it 1 year, we might say that's a fluke. You need 5 years to see it. You need to make sure that it's not a mistake.
5 years. This is not a search for instant gratification. It is a testament to the patience and rigor of science. They are not just looking for a flicker. They are looking for a predictable, repeating rhythm over years, a rhythm set not by the Earth's seasons, but by the Earth's place in the cosmos.
This experiment is the ultimate quest to understand the world in which we live. Professor Bell isn't directly involved in SABRE, but her work depends on its results. For theorists like her, dark matter is the puzzle that underpins everything. Finding dark matter isn't just about identifying one new particle. It's about understanding the fundamental architecture of the universe. It's about answering the question of what most of the matter in the cosmos actually is. This verification step with SABRE is a critical piece of that puzzle.
So, why is this research so important? It goes far beyond a single experiment. First, it is a masterclass in the scientific method. It embodies the principle of skepticism and verification. It shows that science is a self-correcting process built not on faith, but on reproducible evidence. Second, it highlights the power of global collaboration. By placing an identical experiment in the opposite hemisphere, scientists are using the Earth itself as a crucial part of the apparatus. It's a brilliant and elegant design. And third, and most profoundly, it speaks to a fundamental human drive. The drive to know. To explore the unknown, even when that unknown is invisible all around us and makes up the very fabric of our reality. Whether SABRE South confirms the Dharma signal or rules it out, the result will be a monumental step forward. A confirmation would be one of the greatest scientific discoveries of the century, opening a whole new window into the universe. A refutation would be equally vital, closing a long-standing chapter and forcing physicists to ask new and perhaps even more profound questions. Deep in an Australian mine, a detector waits in the darkness. Its mission is one of pure truth-seeking. The data it will soon collect may hold the key to unlocking the mystery of the cosmic ghost, the dark matter that has shaped our universe since its birth. The great detective hunt is about to begin.